Romanian diplomacy, it is a great pleasure for me to introduce to you the host of this nice evening, which is the General Romanian Council of Istanbul, Mrs. Adriana Ciamba. Mrs. Ciamba, you have the floor.
Thank you, and you're welcome. And indeed, I mean, it's really this is Romanian territory, because according to diplomatic conventions, the building belonging to the consulate is Romanian territory, a small part of it. I'm very happy to have you here, to host you. I have to admit that I didn't know many things about the organizations before, so when I heard about it, I had to catch up and read some things. And it's a very interesting thing that I've read already. I'm sure that anything that has to do with empowering young people and helping them live their potential and fulfill their potential, it's a wonderful idea. And when you put it together with international cooperation, it's even better, because young people, they speak more or less the same language anywhere in the world. They have the same dreams, they hope for the same things in life, and they communicate much easier now than the previous generations. And this is what something also as a diplomat I know very well, and it's called making bridges, building bridges, and it's the only way to go forward. So, as I say, welcome here to enjoy the little bit of Romanian hospitality, and I hope in the future you will enjoy more of it. Well, you have a chance to travel to Romania, maybe we'll host a future conference in my country, and then you can see it, and you can see the transformations that the young generation is bringing to Romania. Have a very successful conference.
Thank you. Thank you on behalf of the whole delegation of JCI Romania for giving us the opportunity to organize this event. And thank you, Mr. Costin Zamfir, for supporting us to everything that the Romanian Cultural Institute Dimitrie Cantemir is doing here in Istanbul. Now, it gives me a great pleasure to be able to introduce to you one of our national organization's most active members, because that's the way, that's the primary thought that comes to mind when you think about this person. He's a good friend, and he's the man we've been calling Mr. President for the past 6 months. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome JCI Romania National President, Mr. Cristian Pulean.
Good afternoon, dear GCs. Dear guests, dear hosts. I wanted to allow me to use some notes in order for my speech to be shorter.
Let's report.
It's a good organization, yes. Dear General Counsel Adriana Ciamba. Take it off. Dear President, dear JCI President Ismail Matura, dear immediate past President Ken Baka, dear Executive Vice President Steven Nixon, dear National Presidents, ladies and gentlemen, fellow JCI members, dear friends. It's a great honor for me to serve JCI, the JCI Romanian National President in this anniversary year. As you have noticed, the theme for this reception is the New Romanian Way. This title comes from Romanian cinema. The New Romanian Way, novel but Romance, Romanian, is a genre of realist and often minimalist films made in Romania since the mid-aughts, starting with Traffic, which won the short film Palme d'Or with 2004 Cannes Film Festival in France. But it is a little that can encompass the recent cultural, social, and economical progress that Romania is undergoing. There is a new wave of young Romanian creative, of young Romanian creative positive change in all sectors of the society. both in Romania and abroad. I tell also abroad because there are more than 3 million Romanians that are working today abroad, looking for better opportunities, but at the same time contributing to the communities they are residing in. This is very visible in the JCI network, where we have Romanians everywhere. For example, Alex Georgiana, here present at our session, was one of the first members of JCI Romania. He now lives in New York and acts as Vice President for International Affairs of JCI Philippines, New York. Good to have you here, Alex Georgiana.
Okay. You're the former president, I'm not, so.
One engineer helps with the technical stuff. Yes.
I think I'm gonna have to do my suit. What? Do my suit.
Okay, I will use the backup with the
Be great. It's good for my workout.
The new Romanian way is very critical in JCI. Last year in Malta, we have won our first award, the Best Growth and Development Program, the project JCI 4.0. Last year, we had also our first international officer, John Plaza. He was acted as Vice President and now continues to serve as a UN and External Affairs Committee member. We are very proud to be represented by Stelian Protopos, ETC Chancellor. And I want to thank you very much for this great job that has done up to now. We hope that we will continue this excellent work in ETC and for JCI. Thanks. But the best way to get in touch with the new Romanian wave is by participating to TENIC conference. It will be held in 15 to 18 of October 2018. And it will be in the same time with our residential convention. The city will be Cluj-Napoca, this year's European Youth Capital. There will be a focus on smart and innovative cities, and will be a great opportunity to start new cooperations on projects among together with TENIC countries. But Stelian will tell you more about this. The TENIC conference will only be a start of serious events that we plan to organize. There are concepts among our members that JCI Romania should organize a European conference somewhere around 2020, 2023. And we hope that together we will make this happen. Thank you for all your support. And in the end, the last least, let's commit, connect, and care. Thank you. We don't have challenges, we don't grow.
Thank you. So, now Stelian will present us more details about the conference in a couple of minutes. But before that, I would like to present somebody that we could talk half an hour about his accomplishments in JCI and what he has done. But most of us know it. So it makes little sense to talk about what he has done But instead of that, I will tell you a joke that came up in the Romanian delegation a couple of hours ago, last night actually, which is, in Romania we know the Turks as conquerors. And we've been used that, for ages Turks have been conquering countries, people, and so on. But we realized by visiting Istanbul these couple of days that most likely at one point in time, they stopped and they said, well, we've conquered enough. Let's make everybody our friends now. And the person I'm going to introduce now is actually one of the biggest conquerors of friends that I've met in JCI. And it is a great pleasure to me to introduce somebody that I look up to and that most of us really look up to in the big distance. Our very own world president, Ismail Haznadar.
I don't think you...
It will be short as dear Consul General of Romania in Istanbul, Madam Mariana, dear National President, dear Chairperson of the conference, and dear honorary member of JCI Romania, Filipe Calero, and also dear fellow delegates and national presidents. For me, to speak about Romania would be long, really, as Jonathan emphasized. I can speak hours and hours, but I would like to emphasize two points that I believe is truly important. One, the conference that Romania is promoting is next to Danube, and it's Danube Conference. And this is a truly connecting event that brings all the countries that are surrounded with this river. And it's a good place where the cultures are bridging and coming together. And I would encourage you to participate as well as to promote this conference that